Today, inshallah, we're going to start with our grammar. It's about F, first conditional. We've taken zero conditional, okay, in the previous unit, unit 9. Today, we're going to talk about the first conditional. I want you to guess, what is he thinking of? Yeah, he's thinking of the bus. He's thinking of the bus. Just have a look. Oh, he is too late here. He says, if I miss the bus, I'll catch a taxi. If I miss the bus, I'll catch a taxi. Okay, mister. We use the first conditional when we talk about a possible situation. Yeah, so a possible situation in the present or the future. If I miss the bus, I'll catch a taxi. So here we have possibilities and uncertain events and situations with results and consequences. Yeah, if we miss the bus again, I'll be late for my favorite show. So when can we use the first conditional? We can use the first conditional when we talk about, yes, a possible situation in the present or the future. Let's check your understanding in your student's book. Let's see. Look at this page, page number 90. If you put two north poles together, you remember our previous lesson? Yeah, it was about magnets. They will repel each other. If an object is made of metal, a magnet will pick it up. Yes. Number 2, I want you to read and circle. I'm going to give you about 1 minute to circle the correct one, okay? Start. Hello again. Let's check your answers. Number 1, if you watch this video, yes, you will learn about magnets. Number 2, if you put a magnet on a metal board, it will stick. So let's look at these examples. Number 1, if you watch this video, watch here the present simple. Okay, you will learn. So we use will, then infinitive. Yeah, infinitive like learn. Like the second example here, it will stick. So we don't add anything to the verb. S-E-S, I-E-S, E-D, D-I-E-D, I-N-G. We don't add anything to the verb. Okay, so this is called infinitive. One more time, present simple. Yeah, F, present simple, then will, infinitive. Number 3, if she touches the shade, the magnet, yes, will pick it up. So here we have she touches, present simple. So we add es here to the verb because we have she. So she touches the shade, the magnet will pick. So will, infinitive. Number 4, if he, yes, if he doesn't go, so look at the negative form here. If he doesn't go that way, he'll get lost. He will. So get, infinitive. Yes, excellent. So now let's move to the next page here. Here I want you to read and match by using our grammar today, first conditional. I'm going to give you about 1 minute to finish that. Okay, start. Hello again. Number 1 is answered. If you take an umbrella, yes, you won't get wet. Okay, so we have possibility. Number 2, if you don't wear a jacket, what will happen? Yes, you will be cold. Number 3, if you go out in the rain, you will get wet. Number 4, if we miss our bus, what will happen? We will walk to school. Number 5, If I see my cousin, I'll say hello. And the last one, number 6, if you don't eat breakfast, you'll be hungry. Sure, it's the result, yeah. Now we're gonna talk about force and motion. Imagine you're playing in the park. Think of all the things around you that can move. The seesaw goes up and down. The swing goes back and forward. Many things are in motion around us, but some things are standing still. How do we get them in motion? What makes something move? Think about a toy car. How can you get it to move? You might use your hand or foot to push it away. You might hit it with another object, for example, a ball. You can even blow on it. There are many ways to get things to move. The push or pull that we use to make things move is called the force. A force is needed to make anything move, like this man pushes an alarm clock to make it stop ringing when he wakes up. Let's use another example of motion. Riding a bike. You use force to get a bike to move. How? By pushing and pulling the pedals. You can go faster by using more force, pushing and pulling harder. You can slow down by using less force. What can you do to stop? Well, you can do two things. Number 1, you can use force to stop by using the brakes. Number 2, you can just stop pedaling and then you will stop moving after a while. That's because there is another force. It's called friction. It means the wheels of the bike are rubbing against the road, and that rubbing will make the bike slow down to stop. But if there wasn't any friction or there wasn't any other force stopping it, your bike will keep rolling forever. So here we have types of motion. Oh, look at this boy. Here we have the first one. This is called balance. Balance. Then look at the plane here. Yeah, the plane here is landing. So land. Okay. Then oh, look at the books. Yeah, so he dropped the books. So this is drop. So he's hitting the small ball by using the bat. So hit. Look at that boy. Yeah, what is he doing here? He's bouncing the ball. So bounce. Look at the marbles here. Yeah, so what's happening? They are rolling. So roll. Now let's check your understanding. I want you to open your book, please. Page number 92. Here we have page number 92. I want you to look, listen, and write. Here we have 6 words. I want you to classify the words and the pictures together. Okay? Let's listen.
1.
Balance.
2.
Land.
3.
Hit.
4.
Bounce.
5.
Roll.
6.
Drop.
Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, balance. It's answered here. Number 2, you're amazing. Yes, land. Number 3, great. Yeah, hit. Number 4, amazing, bounce. Number 5, super. Yes, roll. Number 6, amazing. Yeah, drop. Now let's move to the next page. Page number 94. Look at your book. Here I want you to follow me while I'm reading this text. Pages 94 and 95. Follow me. Forces. A force is something that can make things move. Magnetism is a type of force, but there are others. Push. This moves an object away or forwards. You can push a cart when you go to the store. Pull. This brings something towards you. You can pull on a door handle to open a door. Friction. When one object touches another object as it moves, there is a force between them. This is called friction. It can slow down the object that is moving. Pushing, pulling, and friction are contact forces. The two objects have to touch each other for the movement to happen. The contact can stop, start, or it changes the speed or direction of the movement. Great, now I want you to read this text, then correct the sentences. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Just I want you to correct these words to correct the sentences. You just have 3 minutes. Okay, start. Hello again. Let's check your answers. Number 1 is answered here. A pull force brings something towards you, not a push. Number 2. Friction makes objects move, yes, slower, not quicker. Number 3, great. A push force moves an object forwards, not a pull, a push. There is a difference. Number 4, with the contact force, you can stop, start, or it change the the speed or direction of movement, not a sound. Now I want you to look and write. Here we have 4 words. I want you to match these words with the pictures. You just have a minute. Start. Hello again. Let's check your answers. Number 1 is answered here. Magnetism. Number 2, great. Push. Push. Number 3, awesome. Yeah. Number 3, pull. Pull. Number 4, yeah, amazing. Friction. Friction. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you've learned a lot of information. See you inshallah in the next video. Bye.